Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Coinbase Wallet. First, ensure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. You'll need to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to keep your recovery phrase extremely safe and never share it. Setting up a strong password or enabling biometric security is crucial for protecting your digital assets. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can transfer cryptocurrency you already own from another wallet or a Coinbase exchange account. Alternatively, you can buy crypto directly within the wallet using a linked bank account or a debit card. Keep in mind that buying with fiat currency often involves a small fee, typically around 1.49% to 3.99%, depending on your payment method. Now let's make a purchase. Tap the buy or trade icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. You'll then see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you want, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Enter the amount you wish to spend, perhaps $100, and the app will show you the equivalent crypto amount. Double-check all details before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, carefully review your order summary. This includes the cryptocurrency amount, the total cost, and any associated network or service fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. The process usually takes just a few moments, and your newly acquired cryptocurrency will then be visible in your Coinbase wallet. You can now manage or send your digital assets as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.